Winter brings its final storm surge, delivering snow and powerful winds to Australia's southern region. While spring may begin Monday, it has not felt so cold for many parts of the country, especially in the southeast, which is now blanketed in snow following a late wintry burst. According to meteorologist Sandra Scully, these conditions originated from a vigorously convective front that moved through the area on Friday, bringing heavy snowfall, hail, and gusts up to 128 kilometers per hour in Victoria. The system also carried strong winds, small tornadoes, and frost throughout southern Australia, including the Mount Lofty Ranges and Flinders Ranges, which had never seen such snow since 2022. In New South Wales, snow fell heavily in Walcha, Oberon, and Isabella, while in central New South Wales, it extended to Jindabyne and Iwin Bend. Additionally, there were reports of blizzards in Victoria's Mount Macedon and snowfall on Ben Lomond in Tasmania. On Saturday, the strongest winds occurred in Victoria, with gusts reaching 124 kilometers per hour at Mount Buller, 119 kilometers per hour at Wilson's Promontory, and 107 kilometers per hour at Mount William in the Grampians. St. Kilda in Melbourne also received a notable wind gust during the weekend. However, this weather pattern has left widespread frost in inland areas of the south and east of Australia, particularly overnight.